So where are we going now?
We are going to Mayapu Second. Mayapu Second is located
By the way,
just opposite the Puma.
This can be my first time to go there. I never want to say that. It's a good market.
You buy the public place, John.
Okay, it's good to explore like different tournament. We are at this location and you should start there. There's a Korean restaurant there. There's Big Rooster there also, which you guys don't know about.
Guys, there's the three of us. That's Deputy and
Selena.
and your guy himself.
This is not me, this is me.
Oh yeah, that's Ed. So we're basically doing a tour of the town. This is just a few minutes walking distance where we are located. So, but you can see there's a bustling traffic. City going up that way, going up that way. Just going that way and this way like that. Which one is the Big Rooster one?
Big Rooster there. There's a Korean restaurant there as well.
Okay.
You could also have there. Korean business center, man.
That location.
Is there.
Oh, that's SP Brewery down there.
SP Brewery down there. Oh, you go to the main location. Daytech stuff. Or not shop.
And what's this place?
This is corporate business center.
Oh. Vacant lease locations or buildings for.
I think it's not like it is down there. It's for leasing.
So Zebedi, why is this tunnel called tunnel?
It's called tunnel.
Tunnel.
This is on the tunnel. So
Oh.
I'm looking at the basically because it's tunnel, so that's why we call tunnel.
Okay. So I was expecting some train and stuff like that to pass by the tunnel. So.
Seriously.
Tunnel where you go. There's overhead where car can pass through and
Anyways, this is mostly one the storage left. Drain.
But it looks a bit cleaner.
Yeah, because
Oh, we go that way. Oh, guys, when you are crossing a road, you have to run. Oh. So it's actually like a 3-lane crossing and 3-lane crossing on the other side again. So yeah. We have to be careful with the oncoming vehicles. There's a long line of vehicles coming down, you see. So when you are crossing, we already have Zebedi on the other side. It's still is already there. There was a car almost bumped me, guys. This car almost bumped me. So we are ready to run now. We still have cars coming in.
we should have gone with them.
Yeah. It took us some seconds to stand here, you see. So that's how it is. Oh, there's another one coming out. So after this one. Oh, we can. After this one. There needs to be a crossing layer, so you can kind of see me cross it, right? The school to Antape, there needs to be a crossing. Selena?
After this.
Okay, after this. It's nerve-wracking crossing the line. So how did you happen to come, Eli?
I see that there's no car, so I have to run. Like run for your life, huh?
So you're getting used to
You
the
have to
crossing.
run like there's no second chance to exist on this earth, huh?
Ooh, like that's your last day on earth.
Yeah. When the car comes, it won't give you a chance. So make use of the opportunity.
Yeah, but I can cross because.
Zebedi, look out.
This guy's not me.
So these are the two expats. These are hey, come here. Long line of vehicles.
Now can we go?
Come, let's go. Yeah, that's how we cross. That's how we cross. You see? Woo.
My accident will come up.
Kayo sa problema na sa. Essa way essa secta, mean that. So driver naman sige. Boy, what that?
It's already been recorded. Guys, straight to travel from Moresby, you need to know that. Soap type driver. See ya.
Ada bingla lapun manson. Maya put clothing. Okay, this is Maya put clothing where.
So that's the clothing where the she brought us.
Almost.
Yes.
Do the
Shopping and
shopping and buying.
we'll wait for her to shopping and stuff like
We
that.
take in it.
So yeah, guys, if you are in Medan, it's not Kalibobo, it's Mayapu. So good luck. Yeah, so we came and we found nothing, so no good luck. So we are going back empty bands. But Pom City looks good, you know. Big city, yeah, city, live city. So after we came back from second and we are hungry, we are low in energy, so we came to order something in the store.